Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to move everything from Android to iPhone. To move everything from an Android device to an iPhone using Google Drive, you can transfer your contacts, calendar events, and photos. Take note that some data, like app-specific data and SMS messages, may require different methods, so here's how to do it. Now, make sure Google Drive is installed on your Android device, then sign in with your account. Now, open the Google Contacts app, or just go to Settings, Accounts and Backup, Google Account Data, and ensure Contacts is checked for sync. Now, on Calendar, ensure Calendar is checked for sync too. Open Google Photos on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then Photos, Settings, Backup and Sync. Ensure Backup is turned on to upload all your photos and videos to Google Photos. Now, let us start the iPhone setup process. If it's already set up, you might need to reset it. Just go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset. Then Reset. Then choose Erase all content and settings. During setup, choose Setup manually, and then go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, Add Account. Choose Google, and sign in with your Google account. Now tap Continue to sync your contacts and calendar. Now, let us download Google Photos from the App Store and sign in with the same Google account used on your Android device. Then once it's done, it will sync automatically to your iPhone. All the photos and videos backed up from your Android device will be available here. Optional: transfer other data, contacts and calendar events. If you follow the steps to sync your Google account, your contacts and calendar events should be available on your iPhone automatically. Notes and other data. You might need to manually transfer data like notes, SMS, and app-specific data. For SMS, consider using third-party apps or services designed for SMS transfer. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.